we're back. It's pretty cold as well. We've already just loaded a couple of blocks out and stuff this morning. Wait till it warmed up a bit, so it's good enough to lay now because sun's on us. So we should be alright, and then we'll just might have to just see how it goes, see if it gets colder later on. But for now, we can lay some block. Right, what we're going to do is I'm just going to lay a couple up back because sun's up back. So we've got another door here. It's going to be like a Juliet balcony, so it's going to have a balcony on, not a balcony outwards, just some railings on so you can just open doors. So I set these up before Christmas. We're just going to line this bit in here. And hopefully this is the roof. Get it up to the roof and we can get roof on. We've got some walls to go on inside as well. So there's a fair bit of block work to do, to be fair. So we need to crack on with it. So this is a mix. It looks terrible because there's no it's got antifreeze in it, no plasticizer, because plasticizer stops it from going off, and antifreeze makes it go off faster. So when you put that in, you don't really want to be putting plasticizer in it. Right, we've got an opening there, so I'm just going to run it in, and then hopefully we'll get a decent cut of that end. See how it goes. That's it, pure luck. It's a full block. It's not pure luck though, is it? They design it to do that, don't they? The architects. So yeah, nice. So we've just got F's. Look at that, square. Tell us a bucket's square, can't you? Ooh.
Should be easy to scoop.
Oh, I'll tell you what, we need some ties, don't we? Cavity ties.
Oh, yeah. We're not down again.
Huh? Had a bloody cold all over Christmas. I'm sure it's like when you get inside and heating's on all the time. Oh, there's some dark back of this wall here. Yeah. Not on here, Tim. On this level, I think. I'm sure there is. You what? Tell you what. That didn't like me, did it, that one? No, they're in it. I'll get another one on. That's an heavy one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, oh my god, there's so many bits in this, Tim.
I can't do
Look,
it. I literally can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
If I could, mate, I would. Unfortunately,
Way too much for one on these blocks. First day back and my back's killing me already. Within what? 10 blocks something. I think it's crap out of mix of that.
No, it's definitely just sand that little bit.
A bit of frozen sand. Yeah. Gonna need an half.
Yep.
Numpties. What we like. Yep, it's good. Right, we've got a window there for toilet. Toilet goes under that. Then there's a sink here, and then the rest of it. But we've got from us floor to there, we've got 850. So I'm thinking if we put another block on, we're going to be too high. We're going to be at 170. So I think I'm just going to start window here, and then we can just put a cut in later on when we decide on what height we want this window. Do that. I messed up because we've got a water interior wall, haven't we? Spare that joint.
Is it? No, you've got it more there.
Well, that's centre there, isn't it? Centre's that. Centre joint's there, so I'm going to have to. What we'll do is we'll just put some for them ones. We'll just drill them in. Yeah. If you're watching for the first time, that is it. Look, that we're building 2 stories high, and that's the internal. Quite big. Goes through there and right back of here. That's roof. It's quite big, really. Really big extension. Just put a course on that. Got that in. I need to build this front and back, so I'm gonna have to start round there, I think, tomorrow, and then get that done so I can rack this car up and go back, because I can't. If I drag it back, no, I'll never get there. So I'm gonna have to do this front bit. That side there actually has a circling, but I think we've got to order a half moon lintel for that. But it's just blocks, so it'll just be cut. I don't think it's having any brick. I think it's just a rendered hole for a window. Look pretty cool though. Your expansion joints, look, then you put foam in, and then if you see, so you see it, see that, how that comes off. So what you do, you put it in so that's facing, and then if you get any, you know, if you're doing brickwork and they want to fill it, and they want to fill this up with silicone, they can pull that off, or like us, it'll have a plastic bar in there for render to go on, so they'll be able to pull that off, so it always has to go in facing outwards like that. And then you have these ties which go in like that lot, and they slip forwards and backwards to let it expand. So you just cut it, put a cut in with your knife, and then put your joint in, right, and then what you do is you pull it forward a bit like that, so it can expand. And because if it's fully up, It can't go that way, so it can't go in because it's stuck. So you put it in. I'll put it in this way. Put it in, and then just pull it out a little bit, and then push it back. And then it can expand both ways. And then just check, make sure you haven't knocked your stuff like me. And this tight and annoying. And I'll just put that tie there like that when I bed it in for now. A bit close. But yeah, that's it. That's how you do the expansion joints. Yeah, we did alright yesterday. Somewhat supposed to be snowing and what have you, and it ended up lovely. So we got a good day in yesterday. But with today, it's a bit cold again, but we're just backing up. I've got to do all this overhang because you can't get to it with the garage way, which is a pain, because once we get, what I'll have to do is let it set so I can move my ties up so I can get insulation behind it. So that's going to be a pain. But we are getting there. We've got all that tied in there. So it's looking pretty good. So, but tomorrow, it does say rain tomorrow. So, oh, that's going to go put frost on bottom of. But yeah, we are getting there with it. We just need to work out as heights. So we're going to put another 3 course on, but we need to get it all the way around. We've got some walls in the middle as well to do. But yeah, pretty happy really, the way it's going. That's that wall in. It's about F1. We're out of block, so we're going to have to get a load of block up, so that might be it for building today. Unless I get a bit of that corner up. But we need to get all them up. And we've got another delivery on Monday because we've only got a pack left. Just that pack left, 96 in a pack I think. Is it? 94? 97. 97 in a pack. Yeah, we're doing alright now. Got Lan in, Dan in. It's Friday today and it's pretty miserable. It's not freezing, but it's a miserable day. Yeah, it's a miserable day. Should have done supposed to be a storm last night, which it mows the country, but seemed to have missed us. Just a bit of rain. It's supposed to be here now, but it's alright. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting this corner up there. Because if I can get this up, it's going to make it a lot easier for when we have the nice day on Monday, hopefully.
You obviously didn't look at weather for Monday then, did you?
I think it's a dry on Monday though when I looked.
Pissing it down.
Huh?
Pissing it down.
This is alright, I'm not in the mind like.
Oh no, I just go by each day, me now.
It says dry tomorrow, but I don't know.
Not here tomorrow, Mark.
You can't tell till you wake up what it's going to be like. But it does say rain at 1, so we'll see how far we get. That's it, 1 corner up. I always point up just because it makes the inspector know that your alt joints are full. It looks nicer, and if there's anybody driving by that wants to, that's after an extension built, you want to try and make it look as nice as you can all the way through the job, because you never know, they might come knocking at your door. So that's why I joint everything. That's going to be it for this week. It's only dinner time now. I've just put that little bit up as well. We've got, start from here, we've got this side in, some other side backed up. That side in, I've just built that corner there. Overrating this bit. So I wanna, so hang on, if you you just stand there, Tim, look. See how low that is? So that roof comes through like that, and then the other roof goes like, basically, you know, like a triangle. That way into it with a valley down. But this corner gets took out. There's a wall that goes under there where that steel is, and then a door opening, and then it goes into here, and then there's another steel catches it somewhere there. But if you look at Tim's head, if you stand close to the wall, you see where the roof finishes, and we're supposed to be getting a steel under that to take it onto his wall. Then there's another steel here for a paling, which is fine, but that is going to be really low. I don't know how we're going to do that. So we're just going to spend the afternoon. I'm going to, well, we're both going to chisel some of this off and have a look, see what crack is with it. But yeah, that'll do it. We'll talk about that next time, and we'll get all this blockwork up on these internal walls next week. We've got a delivery on Monday because we've only got a couple of blocks left, so I want to save them while Monday, if it's not raining, so we can build up while we're waiting for blocks to come. Then we'll be able to load out and crack on, and hopefully get it to some heights for this roof and work out that. So if you like this video, give us a like, drop us a comment, hype it, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.